GTTC Haveri was established in the year 2025-26. Our center GTTC Haveri has 3 courses, that is Diploma in Tool and Die Making, Diploma in Mechatronics and Diploma in Electronics and Communication. All these 3 courses have intake of 60 each and all these 3 courses are accredited by AICTE. Our diploma courses are structured with 3+1 years. That is 3 years a regular diploma with hands-on experience and 1 year as a mandatory in-plant training with stipend. Our center GTTC Haveri has state-of-the-art facilities equipped with 3 to 5 axis CNC milling machines, CNC lathe, turning machines and many other advanced machineries. Our center GTTC also has separate boys hostel with canteen facilities. For more information, you can contact the GTTC Haveri and a toll-free number 155267. Come join us and have a bright future.
ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ರೂವಾರಿ GTTC ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ